Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, kindly put on the notification bell and subscribe. Now, you don't need a website, a developer, or a single dollar to start selling digital products online. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how you can set up your first product on Gumroad. And it's a platform which is already being paid out millions of dollars to regular people just selling ebooks, templates, presets, and courses. No experience needed. Now let's get back into it. Now let's go to our Google Chrome here, right? Then search for Gumroad. Now the very first website here, Gumroad. This is what you are going to click on. If you are new here, you just sign up. You click on sign up, or you can use your Google email to sign up. But because we already logged into our details, all what you need is you can start selling. Now this is our dashboard of our product we want to sell. Now here is agent, profile, product, collaborators, and checkout. Now we don't need all these checklists, right? All what you are going to focus in, you are going to sell a product. That's our main focus. So if we can sell our product, we will come to our product here, and you could see I've already even tried publish one of the product, some of my products here, right? So let's try to create a new product here. Yes, now the product you are going to create, it will basically depends on the type of product you want to display. There are digital products, course or tutorial, ebooks, membership, or bundle. You can sell all these products here, but all what you are going to focus is digital products we want to sell, right? Now here is the name of our digital products, and here is the price you can set. Now our name of our digital product is, I think we have the name already. We just created the ebook with cloud. Okay, let's see. 50. Let's use capital AI hustles for, okay, D50 is it, because let's see, we have the book here. Oh my bad. Let's see, we have the book here. Okay, AI hustles 2 for Africa. Let's set 50 AI hustles for, let's use for students, right? Yes, you are using it as an example, so you wouldn't expect anything. Yes, for students. Yes. Now let's set our price $2. Let's 50. Let's say $50 here. Now let's click on next to customize. Right? Yes. Now this is the description we could use for our product. Now you can type your own description pertaining the product you want to display or publish here, right? You can let AI even assist us when it comes to displaying our product or describing our product here, so we can make it very professional without any mistake. I think I made cloud. Yes, did cloud. Yes, cloud did. But let's try to make Cloud give us the title. Give us the title, description, right? For 50 AI hustles for students for Gumroad distribution of products. Yes. Now let's see what Claude has for us. Yeah. Now struggling to make an extra money. This gives you the 50 rule beginner friendly, no experience. Okay, so Claude has actually given us. Okay, Claude told us to set it to $7 to $9, but because you are using it as an example, that's why I set it that way. So okay, we can just copy here, right? We can just copy the description here. Yes, then just copy the description here. Then paste it here anytime. Yes, now this is our URL, right? This is the link we could post on our WhatsApp status, our social media for people to buy our product. It doesn't necessarily mean once you sell your product here, automatically you get mass volume of people to buy your product. It's step by step, it's consistency. The more you post the product, the more the market and the audience you get about the particular product you want to distribute, right? Yeah, so upload images. This is our cover image we want to upload, or the thumbnail we want to deliver, right? So let's upload our image, computer files, right? Let's download our image, thumbnail. Oh, where did I save it? Okay, so here is, let's see. We could basically use this thumbnail, right? We could basically use this thumbnail. Yes, you can use this thumbnail. Yes, if you also find it difficult for you to get this thumbnail, you can come here on Canvas, right? You can come here on Canva. Then you come to template here, right? Then search for ebooks. You will see a variety of templates of your own choice you would want to select here. So what are you even selecting? Because you are doing, or our product is basically on books. Ultimate, you can choose any of these, right? You can choose any of these templates, customize these templates, right? Then you can make various variations on this thumbnail, on this tab. Oh my bad. On this thumbnail. Yes. Now you can type okay. Let's type. Yes. You can type and make your editings, whatever. Now once you are done, you can come to share here, then you download it here, right? So Canva is also the best option for these particular products or thumbnail. So this is call to action. This is what you want people, or what you expect people to buy your product. It's like the demand you need from people to buy your products, right? So how will people react to this particular product you want to buy? Is it I want this, buy this, or pay? No. Looking at the demand, you will see, let's use I want this. Now summary. Let's go to cloud. You are making cloud be as our guide, right? Now summary. We can use for our products. Okay, so here's the short summary. You can copy it here to make our job very faster. The moment you copy, try to also read it and understand it very well before you try to paste it there, because you are selling it to over 400, over 1 million people out there. So you have to be very cautious when you are trying to paste a particular text there. So add details. Maybe you would need to add additional details to it, right? But because you don't need any details, it's okay. Invite your customers to yes, $50. So cloud actually told us to set it like $9, but so let's set it to $10. Okay. Custom domain. So I think because you don't have any custom domain, or you can choose to use, okay, let's see if you could get any custom domain. Okay, full stack. Let me use full stack. Yeah, we don't have any website you would want to, or any custom or any domain you want to paste. If you have any website in mind you also want to paste, you can also paste it here, but it's kind of irrelevant, right? So let's save and continue. Yes, now changes has been saved, right? Now we can publish and continue, but because let's try it. Okay, enter the content you want to sell, upload files. Should we? It's enough. Let's see if you can publish and continue. You could also choose to add your own content you want to sell, right? So it can throw much more light into the particular product you want to sell. Maybe it's about file, it's about the content you want to sell, it's about the file, or it's about the typing. You can make your own selection by either typing or uploading the file you want to attach to the particular product you want to sell, to throw much more product into your main product you want to sell. Now let's try to publish it and see. Now it's publishing. Let's wait to see if it can. Now our product is published. So let's come to profile here to see if our product, let's see, page home, collaborators, about share, check out. Okay, no emails are products. Yes, now this is our product. Why the thumbnail is not even showing? Yeah, it might be because of network. Yeah, the thumbnail has to show. So we've created our first product. Yeah, you can choose to unpublish. Yes, you can choose to unpublish to Yes, you can choose to unpublish too. So we've created our first product here on Gumroad, right? Look at how it is. So this is how it will display for people to buy 50 AI courses for students. So the moment someone clicks on it, right? The moment someone clicks on it, all what they can do is to add to cart and to buy, right? So you can basically connect your PayPal or connect your external banking or whatever to Gumroad. So the moment someone pays, right? The moment someone pays, it could come to your account direct. I'll try teach how you can connect your PayPal to Gumroad. So if you find this channel attractive, kindly hit the notification bell, subscribe for more updates on how we can sell and make much more money using digital procedures. Now, bye bye.